Next, we have a public speaking enthusiast and manifestation coach. Dr. Preeti Batra is the co founder of Joyful Mind Transformation Center, an author, and the president of PSAI Delhi chapter. Please welcome Preeti Batra.
We all think about future, yes or no? So what your future looks like? If I tell you to imagine your future as if you are sitting in this beach house with your family, enjoying your life and relaxing, having a joyful evening together, how would you feel? Awesome. So can I say that there will be a mixed feeling of harmony, peace and joy, HPJ? Yes, can we say that? There will be a mixed feeling of harmony, peace and joy. And do you know, if we are chasing the future goals, we cannot achieve them. But if we are becoming these emotions every single day, we can manifest our future, because future is right now, right here, and somebody else is experiencing it. Just think about Amitabh Bachchan hosting KBC. How is he feeling at that point in time? Was this his attitude or behavior, or were these his skills when he started his journey? No. There is always someone who is living the future that you want to manifest. It's just that we need to emotionally recalibrate ourselves to that level. And that's what I'm claiming today. What we are experiencing today is stress, confusion, emotional distress, irritation, hurt. But the idea that can shape our tomorrow is that if we become the CEO of this body organization, then we can emotionally recalibrate ourselves to be what we want to become. And that can shape our tomorrow. Now, how this is going to happen? Why I'm saying that this is a body organization? Because we are the organization of 40 trillion cells, live cells. And one live cell, if we talk about amoeba, which is, pressed in the biology books, if we talk about that cell, it can do all its things on its own, right? Similarly, when you are the CEO of this body organization and you have 40 trillion loyal employees with you, just think about it. What wonders can we create? And that's the idea of creating that emotional recalibration, recalibrating our body. How we can do that? So I'm giving you a simple ABC model. A, awareness and acceptance. Getting aware of this thing. Where am I calibrated right now at this point in time? Where am I calibrated? So think about it. Where are you calibrated? Are you feeling hurt most of the times? And if you feel hurt most of the times, that means you are manifesting those relationships which make you feel hurt. And the reason is the wounded affirmation that is going on in your mind is, I am not loved. And all your body cells, they are not working in silos. They are not individuals. They talk about your feeling, and when you are feeling I am not loved, you feel hurt. When you feel I am not heard, you feel irritated all the time. And when you feel I am not significant, I don't matter, and that point in time you feel lost, frustrated, suppressed anger is there. And most of the people in our world, they feel this wounded affirmation, I am not good enough. And because of that, they always feel confused. They always feel lost. They always feel frustrated from their life. So just think about it. Are you calibrated at this level? Now, coming to B. Coming to B, पीछे कर दीजिए please. So B is break your resistance. Break your resistance, because these emotions, hurt emotions, or where you are calibrated right now, this is your safe zone because you have practiced it for a longer period of time. Now what happens when you have to break the resistance? there is a new emotion that is coming in, and the body is resisting it. The body will show pain, you will procrastinate, you will do certain things, because body is giving you all those signals that this is not acceptable, this new identity is not mine. And then you can break your resistance with talk therapy. You can talk to yourselves, acknowledge them, tell them, I love you. If you want, you can do it with me right now. Just feel it. Hug yourself and tell yourself, I love you, dear body, I love you. I love you, and you can do it. I am with you. Just do it. Just do it for 2 minutes and see the bubble bath of dopamine in your mind. And believe me or not, when you will break your resistance every single moment of your life, you can choose your new identity. And the new identity is calibrated at that harmony, peace, and joy. Because, my dear friends, you are the CEO of your body organization. The thing is, when we talk about talking to ourselves, it feels like this is something very new. But do you know, in your present identity, those wounded affirmations have taken over your identity. And that's the reason, when you choose your identity to feel that harmony, peace, and joy, you manifest your future the way you want, because you become harmony, peace, and joy in each moment of your life. And that's how you can claim your energy back. This is the idea of emotionally recalibrating yourselves every single moment to create that identity that you want to manifest. Thank you.